Hey, I'm here today to talk to you about this Gas Pro trigger torch. Now, this is what goes on top of a propane tank. So today I'm going to use the size of a propane tank. Now, normally I would use the tall, skinny kind, but this is what I have on hand, so that's what I'm using. So let me show you how this works. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the container. You have your on and off here. See, right now you can't hit this button, but once you turn it on, you push it in and turn it, and now this is your igniter. So that's what you're going to use there. Right here, you're going to turn your gas on and off, and then this piece here can be replaced. So this comes off, and now you can buy replacement parts for this if this gets damaged or burned too much. Attach it to this propane tank. You're going to open this up in order to let the gas up. You can hear it. Okay, so now you got it turned on. So now all you're going to do is hold that button. Cool thing is, now I'm going to put this down. I don't have to turn off my gas or anything. It's already right there. So if you were working on something, you could just simply just hit that button and get it going. This is definitely a nice handy device to have if you're doing any kind of welding. Maybe you want to start your grill, start your fireplace, start your campfire. This is actually very nice. I'm using it obviously for a craft project, but I'm so glad I bought this. I really like it. And that's just my honest opinion.